If f of x equals x squared minus 6x plus 3 over x minus 1, what is f of negative 1? Well, this is basically just saying, look at all these x's. Turn x into negative 1 and simplify. So let's do that. I'm going to rewrite this entire equation, it is an equation, and replace every x with parentheses negative 1. So I have parentheses negative 1 squared minus 6 times parentheses negative 1 plus 3. My fraction bar wasn't good enough. Parentheses negative 1 minus 1. Why do those parentheses matter? You always have parentheses when you substitute. But since I have negative 1 inside parentheses squared, that becomes positive 1 because negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. If the parentheses aren't there, it's not positive 1. Negative 6 times negative 1 is positive 6. 6 plus 3. All over negative 1 minus 1, which is negative 2. 1 plus 6 plus 3 is 10. 10 over negative 2 is negative 5. So f of negative 1 is negative 5. Hey!